Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your account to play variants on chess.com. First, ensure you are logged into your chess.com account using your unique username and secure password. Once logged in, locate the prominent play button on the main navigation bar. Clicking this will open a menu where you can easily find and select the variants option. This simple step is your gateway to a world of diverse and exciting chess experiences, ready for you to explore. Now that you've found the variants section, it's time to explore. You'll see a wide array of unique chess games, such as 4-player chess, Crazy House, or King of the Hill. Take a moment to browse through them. Each variant has its own distinct set of rules, so be sure to read the brief descriptions to understand the gameplay. Pick one that sparks your interest. There are dozens to discover and master. Once you've chosen a variant, you have a couple of options to start playing. You can easily join an open game that another player has already created, often with hundreds of thousands of players online. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can create your very own custom game. This allows you to set specific rules, time controls, and even invite up to 3 friends for a private match. It's all about how you want to enjoy the game. With your game underway, immerse yourself in the unique strategic challenges each variant offers. Whether it's the chaotic fun of Crazy House or the team dynamics of 4-player chess, every move counts. Feel free to use the in-game chat to interact with your opponents, fostering a friendly and engaging environment. Remember, there are over 20 distinct variants available, so keep exploring new ones to continually enhance your overall chess experience and discover new favorites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.